What's going on, watch people? It's Skip from Watching SRQ, here today to take a look at what's inside this box. As usual, I've gone ahead and slashed open the boring cardboard box that it was shipped in. Today we're going to look at the Seiko PADI SRPE27K1, the new PADI Monster. But before we look inside this box that I am itching to open, I'm trembling with anticipation, quick wristwatch check. Today I am once again wearing my SRPE silver dialed Diver 1. I recently got and put it on this style bracelet from SRPE. I'm sure at some point I'll do a review on this. If y'all are interested in seeing that, let me know down in the comments. I don't know if anyone cares about this as much as I do, but it's a favorite of mine. I just love it to pieces. So enough with that. Box. So as usual, boring Seiko box. This is again the SRPE27 in the Prospex line, and $525. When you get it at release, that's exactly how much you pay. Something tells me that if I had been more patient and waited a few months, I probably would have gotten a substantial discount. But don't care because I'm getting ready to see it. I've been waiting for months. As I said, oh, looky, looky. Oh, there it is. Hello. Ah, yeah. I've been wanting a blue bezeled Seiko Monster for as long as I've seen them. The previous ones have all been second generation monsters, and one of them was a limited edition, and all of them just disappeared at reasonable prices. Oh, look at that blue bezel. This is what it's all about for me. The classic concave Seiko Monster bezel in blue. Yes, yes indeed. It's a pretty standard bracelet I see. Kind of hoping that my bracelet from my 3rd gen will fit this. If so, this will stay in plastic forever. But yeah, hang tags, blah blah. Dial. Just look at that. Look at the blue. Ah, that's what it's all about. So, I will be getting this on wrist, taking lots of pictures, and giving a full review on this in the coming weeks. If there's anything specifically you want to know about it, please drop a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to accommodate so I can get into the details. Again, just look at it. It's so pretty. Thrilled to 2 pieces. Hip hip hooray. Okay, gotta stop. I'm going to put this onto a strap and get it on wrist, and I'll give you a quick wrist shot. Cool. Back in a moment. Okay, I'm back. So I took the bracelet off, and hopefully it'll fit my regular Monster. We'll find out. Solid end links. Really nice. Kind of standard Seiko affair. Nothing special. But solid. And I decided I was going to put it on a rubber strap that I have from UTE or Ute Watch Company, formerly ToxicNATOs. This is actually an original SRPE rubber strap. They're super comfortable. And so I remembered at the last moment that if I put the spring bars that came in this bracelet, that it would jam in here forever. So I did remember to use the spring bars that came spare with my SRPE. And so here we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, sexy time. That is just a stunning watch. As I said, thrilled to pieces. Love it, love it, love it. And I'll be back with a full review. Thanks for bearing with my enthusiasm. I don't know what kind of babbling I had going on at the beginning of this video. I'll find out when I edit. In any case, thanks for stopping by to watch. Full review forthcoming. You can find me on Instagram at watchingsrq. And I'd appreciate it if you would comment down below and leave a like, and subscribe if you haven't, and all that good stuff. See you soon with that full review. And this is Skip from Watching SRQ. Peace out.